2275th episode of Nagpur's most happening Facebook live शो का नाम है राज की बात Women of the Year के साथ. Really want to thank Parik Brother Jewelers presenting Raj Ki Baat Women of the Year in association with We Herbs. A big thank you to Stylix Kitchens and Wardrobes. Can't forget to thank Preet Design Studio opposite Liberty Theatre, one of the best stores for women shopping. And also the best furnishing store to make your home look pretty beautiful is Four Seasons at Dharampet. अगर आपके यहाँ कोई इवेंट है and you're looking for a good makeup artist, Vasudha Agarwal is not just a name but a brand also. Please welcome my guest, my Women of the Year today, who's been a lawyer for past 5 years. She's taking the legacy of the Yaduka family to another level, and most importantly, one girl or one lady who's great at heart. Please welcome my guest, my Women of the Year, Malika Yaduka. Advocate Malika Yaduka. Hi Malika.
Hi Raj, thank you for having me on your show.
It's all my pleasure and honor. कैसी हैं आप?
I'm good. I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
Good. And I'm so happy कि आप आज मेरे शो पर आई हैं. आप पिछले 5 सालों से वकालत कर रही हैं. And do you always wanted to become a lawyer? I mean, क्या बचपन से यही सपना था?
So I would say it's not from always, and I did not know. You don't really get the idea in life if you are meant for this, or from the very start you don't know you are meant for this. But eventually when I came into law, and then I realized no, this is something I want to do, and I want to pursue my career in the same, and I want to work as a lawyer, as an advocate all my life. And I enjoy working.
और कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है?
If you ask कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, there is no limit, because there is no limit how much this career can reward you, and there is no limit how hard you can work in this career. Because what this career demands is focus, dedication, hard work, and it can be a most rewarding career you can choose.
And also helping people. I mean, social service. Something.
Yes.
अच्छा, जब आप अपनी लॉ की पढ़ाई कर रही थी और जब स्पेशलाइजेशन या एक्सपर्टीज के बारे में आपने सोचा, why did you choose corporate law, arbitration? Why?
So I did my graduation, and then I decided to go for arbitration. I went to London, QMUL University, to do my comparative and international dispute resolution course. So basically arbitration is a need of an hour, we can say. We all know the courts are so burdened with cases. So with the new companies coming up, and contract between the companies and everything, which can be resolved through arbitration.
तो arbitration को अगर हम आसानी से समझे तो क्या होता है ये?
So if मैं आसानी से अगर बताऊँ आपको arbitration क्या होता है, तो arbitration is a process which is done outside the court. So the main criteria to begin with the arbitration is, one, you should have the clause in your contract. So suppose there's a company XYZ, and there's another company, they are coming into partnership and some dealings, then they'll create a contract, obviously. And in that contract, they'll mandatory need to have a clause that if any disputes arise in future, we will resolve it through arbitration. So the first point is you should have an arbitration clause in your contract. If not an arbitration agreement itself, then at least a clause. And suppose if then the dispute arise maybe 5 years later, then I will send you a legal notice. Like one company will send other company a legal notice stating that okay, this is the dispute arising between us, and now we are invoking the arbitration clause. And then if you have not mentioned that who will be the arbitrator to resolve the dispute, Then in the notice, you will nominate 3 of the names of the arbitrator you think will be the right person to resolve the dispute. So if at all the other company is okay with the name suggested by the one, they will choose a common name and they'll proceed with the arbitration procedure. But if not, then they will go to High Court, and they'll go to High Court and they'll ask the court to appoint them a arbitrator, and then the proceeding will start.
मतलब आप घर के वो बड़े सदस्य वाला रोल प्ले कर रही हैं जो 2 लोगों को बुलाता है जिनके झगड़े हैं, उनको बैठाते हैं और बोलते हैं देखो अब सुलह कर लो.
So basically, arbitrator appointed by high courts are usually former judges or
people with experience,
judges, yeah, who have experience in certain disputes, certain kind of dispute. That is how the court appoint the arbitrator. And if it between the parties, they will find, okay, if I have something, if there's a company who is into technical thing, then the person who have a good knowledge of that kind of technicalities, they will appoint that as an arbitrator.
Okay.
So yeah, that is how it goes.
कॉर्पोरेट लॉ की तरफ आपका रुझान है, लेकिन मैं उसके पहले ये जानना चाहता हूँ आपसे, क्योंकि आपने पढ़ाई जो है वो लंदन से की है, वहाँ के कोर्ट्स और वहाँ के नंबर ऑफ केसेस जो पेंडिंग है वो यहाँ से ज़्यादा है या कम है?
So the procedure of court working over there is quite different. I mean, they have certain timelines to do the case, certain number of case and certain duration.
अच्छा, timeline है वहाँ पर?
Yeah, so most of the things have some certain timelines. So they goes according to that, and that is how, I mean, it's different.
पर वो यहाँ पे भी होने चाहिए ना?
There are timelines in certain cases. I mean, there are obviously.
But वो high
timelines in
priority
certain
cases जो होते हैं.
Yes, but the timeline cannot be done in every cases. So yeah.
But अगर होता है तो आपको नहीं लगता मल्लिका आसान हो जाएगा? नंबर ऑफ केसेस बहुत जल्दी जो पेंडिंग है वो पेंडिंग नहीं रहेंगे?
Yes, obviously आसान हो जाएगा, but see, for everything we cannot create a timeline. As we say, AI will overcome everything. So why emotional intelligence is so important? Because there are certain kind of cases, and every case is different. Although there are suppose 2 land cases and similar cases, but there might be certain one point which is different from the other. So the judge has to think logically and then act, and then order on that certain thing. So
okay,
so
like
everything cannot be timeline.
कॉर्पोरेट लॉ हमारे देश में कितना stringent हुआ है वक्त के साथ?
As the companies are budding up and the startups are getting promoted and everything, so people need lawyers to handle their legal work. Because everything cannot be done by one person, as every family has one family doctor or maybe a CA to handle their financial issue. Likewise, it is very important that people should have their lawyer also. I mean, it's not what would I say? Everybody is not there's this notion that people think, okay, if I'm certain level of company, then only I'll need a legal team. Otherwise, I can handle it myself, or my CA will handle it.
सच बात है.
So it's not that. It's not that easy. You should, to have a mental peace, I think you should have a lawyer by your side. For little contracts, for everything, you need a lawyer. And if you are sorted legally, if you are sorted with contracts, agreements, and if you are on point with everything, it becomes very easy for a business to grow.
सही है. क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? 5 साल आपने भारत के लीगल सिस्टम में काम किया. कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आपके हिसाब से बदलनी चाहिए?
So to start with, I would say I started my career in the mentorship of Mr. Srirang Bhandarkar. He's a great personality. He's a dynamic personality. I would say if you could get a chance to interview him, I mean, I don't know if your channel might get 2 lakh plus views.
Oh my
He's
God.
such a dynamic personality. So I'm a first generation lawyer. For a first generation lawyer to come into this career and to start with is so difficult because there's so much into it. I mean, law is an ocean. You have numerous acts, you have numerous things to understand. So for a first generation lawyer, it is very important that you have a right mentor.
Right.
I started with him. I mostly work in high court. I do high court cases. And yeah, I'm enjoying my career absolutely.
On the other side, your good part, Rishi Yaduka, how are things? How many years of marriage now?
So we have been married since 4 years.
4 years now.
Yeah, and now I'm a mother of a 6-month-old baby boy. My career with him and my life with him was so easy. So I read it somewhere. There's this saying: if you want to boom in your career, especially in law, either you should have a supportive partner or you should not have a partner at all. So, because it's so demanding, this career is so time demanding.
Right.
It needs so much of hard work, dedication, focus. But you need to balance both.
Right.
And in that scenario, you need someone as your partner who is very supportive to push you forward.
Absolutely. What's Malika Yaduka's me time? Do you get me time?
Yeah, I absolutely get me time. So I enjoy reading. I enjoy going out and having good conversation with different people. I enjoy traveling. We absolutely enjoy traveling together. So whenever we get a little time, whenever we get some vacation period, we just go and find out where we can go and travel and have fun.
Okay. With time, there have been with women, they want to make a career. Especially with girls, they want to make a career and they want to just keep marriage a little away from their career because they get opportunities and they want to grow. What's your thought? What is the good time to get married?
No, so there's no good time to get married. I don't think there's any good time.
Good time or a bad time? Both. Yeah.
Yeah, so it absolutely depends person to person, and I don't think that to boom in your career or to pursue a good career, you need to keep your marriage aside. That's absolutely not needed. You just need to get along with your partner in such a way. You should have the bonding in such a way that you can do both, and absolutely you can do both. And because I have heard a lot that also after marriage the career stops.
Yeah.
I mean, you cannot do much as you would have been doing before it.
Yeah.
Or after baby, so it stops completely.
Absolutely.
But I am a new mother. I'm a mother of 6 months right now, and I don't feel it is okay. You need certain period of time. You need certain breaks in life. Take that break and get back again. I mean, it's as simple.
What's the dream?
So my dream is I started my own practice right now. I want to build a great team of good lawyers, energetic people in my team, and I'll make a law firm. I'll make a leading law firm of India. That's my dream. Where we have solution for every and each type of problems and dispute, be it family dispute, be it corporate disputes, be it contract, be it arbitration,
also
cases,
criminal.
PILs, criminal, civil. I want to build a team in such a way that we provide solution for all.
In these past 4 years of marriage, I'm sure Rishi Yaduka have learned a lot from you. What have you learned from him?
In fact, I learned a lot from him. He's a great man. he's very supportive. So when the best thing about him is he's my partner for life. I don't feel he's my husband. He's my best friend. I need someone for something. I ask him, let's do this. I'm low sometimes. He's like, oh, you are very strong to do this. Go ahead. You can do it easily. Just go ahead. So he pushed me in everything. And he's very simple, fun-loving guy. With whom you can absolutely enjoy your life.
अगर जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी जाती,
Okay.
दिस शुड बी माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन, और उस सुनहरी किताब के सुनहरे पन्ने पर ये नाम लिखा जाता, मल्लिका ऋषि यादुका, उसके नीचे क्या लिखा रहना चाहिए? कौन सा ऐसा कोट, कौन सी ऐसी बात, कौन सा ऐसा थॉट जिससे पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपको हमेशा याद करें?
I would say I would write a quote that what is law? If somebody asks me, for me, the law will be the good of the people is the greatest law. So I want to work. I worked on that principle, and I would want to work on that principle that this is a career. It can be rewarding in both terms, financially and I mean internally as well.
Absolutely.
So whenever someone comes to me, I feel like I want to help that person out, whatever the problem is. So that will be my principle, that the good of the people is the greatest law.
I'm sure
And
you
it's
will.
on the wall of my office as well.
So if manifestations work, do you believe in it?
I absolutely believe in manifestation.
Supa would like to manifest that in the coming years, advocate Mallika Yaduka becomes a firm, for people in the country, and they look upon you. That whenever there's a dispute, there is a problem, there is this, people who look forward for solutions, legal, suggestions. They should come to you, and you become one of the biggest brands of law firm in the country.
Thank you so much.
वक्त दिया, आप यहाँ पर आए,
Thank you so
उसके लिए
much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you
so
for
much.
having me.
Super.
It was a pleasure.
मल्लिका यादुका से बात हुई, मुलाकात हुई इन दिस एक्सक्लूसिव एपिसोड ऑफ राज की बात. एक बहुत अच्छी बात जो मल्लिका से समझने को मिली, वो शायद ये है जो मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ कि अगर बुराई किसी के मन में नहीं आती तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी भी न्यायपालिकाएं बनती ही नहीं. सही बोल रहा हूँ?
बिल्कुल
सही बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ. अगर किसी के मन में बुराई, खोट है ना, ये सब नहीं आता तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये जो ग्रीड है, ये जो ये सेल्फिशनेस है, वो किसी भी चीज़ के लिए, अगर वो नहीं होता ना तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि न्यायपालिका बनती नहीं. ये आर्बिट्रेशन, आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. ये तो और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि और ऐसे खुलने चाहिए, बिकॉज इससे बहुत सारे डिस्प्यूट्स जो इस वक्त कोर्ट्स में हैं, वो लैंड एक्विजिशन के हों, वो प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट्स हों, वो दो लोगों के पैसे के लेन देन के इश्यूज हों, जिनकी तारीख पे तारीख होती जाती है और न्यायपालिका पे भी बर्डन बढ़ता है. अगर ये सब चीज़ें आर्बिट्रेशन के माध्यम से और सिंपल तरीके से एक बैठ के दो लोगों को अगर लीगल तरीके से ये चीज़ें कराई जाए तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस देश में नंबर ऑफ केसेस उतने नहीं रहेंगे पेंडिंग जितने आज हैं, है ना, और न्यायपालिका भी और फास्टर तरीके से काम कर पाएंगी. भारत में न्यायपालिकाएं बहुत लेट आई. लोगों ने पूछा बहुत लेट क्यों आई, तो उसकी वजह ये थी कि पहले लोग अलग थे, अब लोग अलग हैं. आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात. तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें, परिवार के साथ एक अच्छा वक्त बिताएं और अपने बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी परवरिश दें. और अगर आपके परिवार में एक बिटिया है जो सही को सही और गलत को गलत कहती है, दो लोगों को विवाद करने से बचाने की कोशिश करती है, बैठ के सुलह कराने की कोशिश करती है और अपने आसपास एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट बनाने की कोशिश करती है जहाँ पे खुशियाँ हो, जहाँ पे सच्चाई हो, जहाँ पर एक ऐसी थॉट प्रोसेस हो जहाँ पर लोग पीस और हार्मनी में रहें, तो समझिए वो मल्लिका यादुका बन रही है। हर घर में एक मल्लिका जरूरी है। जिंदा रहें। जय हिंद।